Hey everyone, Taylor here with Neville Motors, taking you around this 2020 GMC Terrain SLT with only 2,500 miles on it. If you're looking to save a little bit of money off new, our service loaner specials that we tend to do, those even have more miles on this, and it probably costs a little bit more. Now, this one was titled before, so you will notice that this is a one-owner vehicle. Power liftgate being an SLT, as well as this will also then have leather inside. Off to the right here, you're going to notice that we do have these little handles. We're actually able to pull those, and then the back seats will fold down flat without having to go all the way into the vehicle and pulling those seats down if you need a little more cargo space. Of course, up here we do have power liftgate. Little backup camera right there. Really a gorgeous looking vehicle. Only 2,000 miles, you really cannot go wrong. On the inside, jet black leather with some nice natural stitching in the seats, as well as that follows along right here on the door handles. Nice trim memory seats. Your power liftgate controls are down there. The seats down here also are 10-way power, so that means that you have up-down for both the front and the back of the seat, as well as forward and back for your backrest, and then lumbar support. Electronic parking brake, fog lights are all right there. Let's start this up. 2436 for miles. You'll also notice that this does have automatic high beams, lane change, or in lane keep assist I should say, heated steering wheel, as well as crash alert. Really a well-equipped vehicle. As we look here on the center screen, you do have your Wi-Fi hotspot, as well as Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, giving you the ability to sync up your phone. From there, you do have dual zone climate. There we go. And these are really cool because we actually, instead of having any shifter, all you have to do is pull these levers to activate the gear selector. Of course, you also then do have an HD backup camera. And the lines move, which make parking really easy. Below that, right here, we do have our heated seat controls, our lane change alert, hill descent control. To put it in four-wheel drive, all you got to do is turn that knob, and then you have your heated seats for both sides. In the back, we have plenty of legroom for you and your guests, as well as down here, we do have charge ports and dual air vents. The stitching continues in the back, having those highlight accented natural color right here, as well as some handles in case you would like to fold down your seats. So you have a nice flat loading floor there. If you or someone you know is interested in this 2020 GMC Terrain SLT, please feel free to reach out at 715-256-2900 or check out the link at nevillemotorsgm.com. Thank you.